Hi beautiful people, I'll be using this pattern paper to show you and to illustrate how to go about the drape top. So this is what I have. Initially I'm gone ahead to mark 4" from the starting to serve as a margin. From there I'll just go ahead to insert the basic bodies. That is what I'm doing. I am not using any measurement. I'm just trying to make use of tape in order for the whole thing to align properly. So first thing you are going to do when you are drafting yours, you're going to go from your imaginary line with 4" which I just drew with a pen there. Then from that side, then you go ahead and make your basic body. So for this length I'll be making use of 7.5 inches. Then I'll just go down the basic body, I'll connect it down, then I'll connect the leg of the basic bodies down to that 4" mark that we have. So I make sure that anything I have here, that is what I have at the other edge, so that the whole thing will align. So first thing I'll be going to do, you're going to connect from your shoulder down to the mark I just marked there. Then from that side you're going to connect down to the side of your basic bodies, and then this is just practically all for it. So the next thing we'll be doing, we'll just go ahead to reduce the shoulder. Can you see the shoulder is about 3 inches before, but since this is a pattern it is too wide, so I just go ahead to reduce it to 2 inches. So after that I'll just go ahead to use my scissors and then cut it out. So this is just like an illustration, so when you are doing yours, you know how you are going to put your own basic measurement. But when you are doing yours, the 4 inches that I use from the imaginary line, that is what you are going to use for yours too. Then the rest of your measurement will not depend on your own body measurement. You get, this is just an illustration. So guys, after cutting the pattern paper out, I'll just go ahead to place it on this new paper. Can you see what I'm doing? I'll make sure I place it on the paper that is bigger than the first one, so that I'll go ahead to trace all the sides together. Can you see? So we'll go ahead to trace the side now. This is me tracing the shoulder down to the armhole. Then I'll trace all the side, just as you can see. So guys, after tracing this side, I'm going to remove the pin and then place the pattern in the other way around. Did you see the way I placed it? Then I'll just go ahead with the marker and then trace this particular one again on this other side. You make sure the whole thing align very well. You discover that the down part of it are all equal. You get, then you go ahead and trace the rest side, just as we trace this first part of the pattern. So guys, after tracing it, this is what we have. So next thing we'll be doing is we'll just take our scissors and then cut out the pattern that we have, like tracing it just as we have marked. So I'll just go ahead to cut it out gently. So in order for us to get it, can you see on that midpoint, I'll just go ahead to fold it up, and then here comes our drape top. This is very easy and then very simple. So imagine doing this on your crepe fabric or on your satin fabric or on your silk fabric. You see that the result will comes out very well, and then this is the final look. Can you see? So if this illustration was helpful, let me know in the comment section. Bye.